Okay, let's continue from our previous lesson of fist under elbow into repulse the monkey. So from our fist under elbow, release your right hand, relax your waist, right palm turns up, just relaxing. The left hand will turn like grasping as you pick up the front leg. You'll circle back your right arm. Step back, touching the ball of your foot, put the foot down and shift and sink. So as you sink, shift back, sink the Qi, relax. Right foot will pivot straight. Now, repulse monkey, most modified yang style, they will do this as a pull and a palm strike. It's actually not a palm strike. This is controlling the wrist. This is controlling across the arm and elbow area of the opponent. So it's a catch and a control. So as you do this movement, don't push this palm forward. You will catch, shift back, sink. The energy is pulling back and sinking. So you're controlling and guiding the opponent forward and down. So as you come off of shift back, this is coming down, you're sinking. This arm is actually coming down to control on the opponent's arm. And so that is the first repulse monkey. Now the technique is repeated 3 times. So as you're sitting here in this back leg, 80% weight, you'll shift 100% and let the front foot pivot in. This is, again, just a sensitive transition movement. So as you shift, you pivot the right foot in. Now you'll grasp again as you pick up the right leg. Grasp, circle left one back, step back, and then shift back, pivot left foot straight. And now sit down on the right side. And again, don't push this palm out. Feel the energy of this hand sinking and your forearm is connected, sinking. Okay, so it's a controlling, right? You're controlling. So from here, pick up, turn the palm, step back, shift back, sink the Qi. Transition, 100%, pivot right foot in. Turn, pick up, turn the palm, step like a cat, shift back, sink the Qi, sink on the right. Okay, so then the third one, pivot right foot in, turn the palm, pick up, touch, shift and sink. Sitting on the left leg. Okay, so feel that you're sitting on this left leg, 80% weight. Okay, controlling. Okay, so the relationship of the 3, repulse monkey, let me do it from this angle first. Okay, so from here. Now, imagine the opponent's left straight punch is coming. You're catching, stepping back, and controlling, sinking back. Then he throws another punch. You're controlling him, but his right arm is free, and he's punching across, so you'll catch his right punch. And back, and control, right? And then you're controlling his right arm. So now he's going to punch left across. You're going to catch his left punch and control. Okay, so that is the drill. If you have a classmate or a partner, you can have them throw a left straight punch, you catch it, control across. Their body will be on an angle. They'll punch across, you'll catch, control. They'll throw another left punch, you catch and control. Okay, so this way you understand what is the application. It makes you visualize your form and to allow you to do your movement correctly. If the form Again, if the form technique is incorrect, there's no application. You may come up with something, but it may not be really practical or effective. And Yang style Tai Chi is actually very practical and effective. If the form is correct, the techniques are there. And then the two men practice. Of course, when you learn form, the Tai Chi form mainly is for your health, for cultivate your qi, which cultivates your both your physical and non-physical strength, and teaching you to relax and have a higher level of control of your body, teach you to move as fast as you can and to develop as much power out of your body for every technique. And again, as you practice, your body is more powerful when you're not moving with rigidity. So as you learn to have a Tai Chi body, any martial art practice is enhanced because you learn to move with your body's natural force rather than rigid force. Like water is very powerful. The more fast you move the water, the more force it can generate. So your body is water, and then you get your qi to direct the movement of the water. So your mind leads the qi and moves the water. Okay, let me show you this from this angle, fist under elbow. So again, remember, you're blocking a right punch here, blocking a left punch here, throwing a palm strike and a kick. Okay, so let's say your opponent attacks again. He punches with a left straight punch. You catch his punch and control. You're controlling his left arm, his right arm is free. He throws a right punch. You catch and control. Okay? So I hope that makes you understand and can follow the 3 repulse monkey sequence.